Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where we unlock practical financial strategies for people who want to take control of their money and grow their income. Whether you're 18 or 60, this video is for you. Now, let's be honest, budgeting usually sounds boring. But what if I told you that some budgeting apps don't just help you track your spending? They actually pay you. Yes, real money, cash rewards, passive earnings, and more. Today's video will reveal the top 7 budgeting apps in 2025 that actually reward you for managing your money. This is not some gimmick. These are real apps used by real people who are getting paid simply for being smart with their money. Stick with us to the end because we'll not only explore each app in depth, but we'll also give you bonus strategies on how to maximize what you earn using these platforms. And at the very end, I'll be asking you a key question, something that could change how you think about budgeting forever. Let's dive right in. What are budgeting apps that pay you? Before we jump into the list, let's understand what these apps are. Budgeting apps that pay you are tools that track your spending, help you save money, and in return, offer rewards like cashback, financial bonuses, investment incentives, or referral payouts. They're often connected to your bank account or credit cards, and they monitor your financial behavior, rewarding things like lowering your expenses, hitting savings goals, or spending at partner merchants. Some even give you interest-like bonuses for keeping your money within the app. So yes, budgeting has evolved into something profitable. And if you're not taking advantage of this in 2025, you're missing out. App number 1, Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. Rocket Money helps users track spending, lower bills, and cancel unused subscriptions. But here's the kicker. It also negotiates your bills for you. If they save you money, they take a cut, and the rest goes right back to you. This model has helped users save hundreds of dollars per year. And when you think about it, that money back in your pocket is just as good as getting paid. They also offer smart savings accounts that reward consistent saving behavior. It's automation with a financial benefit. App number 2, Dosh. Dosh is all about automatic cashback. Once linked to your debit or credit card, you get cashback automatically when you shop at partner retailers. No scanning receipts or clicking on links. It's seamless, and over time, those few dollars in cashback grow. You're rewarded just for your regular spending. Dosh users often report earning between 5 to 10% cashback on certain purchases. The app also allows you to transfer those earnings to your bank or PayPal. So yes, it literally pays you. App number 3, Empower Personal Wealth. Empower combines budgeting tools with wealth-building strategies. It monitors your accounts, categorizes your spending, and even gives you insights on your net worth. The real value? Empower offers a high-yield checking account that pays interest and cashback. You get paid just for using the account, which includes budgeting tools built in. Users also get access to financial coaches, which is a bonus when you're working on goals like debt reduction or long-term savings. App number 4, Pogo. Pogo is a rising star in 2025. This app pays you simply for sharing your financial data anonymously. It connects to your bank account, reviews your purchases, and gives you points for every interaction. Those points can be converted into cash or gift cards. The app even sends you surveys and extra offers based on your habits, turning your everyday spending into a small stream of income. Pogo isn't just a budgeting tool. It's also a passive income app. App number 5, Yada. Yada makes budgeting fun through gamification. When you save money using their app, you earn entries into weekly prize draws, with cash payouts as rewards. It's FDIC insured and works like a budgeting meets lottery hybrid. It encourages better financial behavior by rewarding saving, and users have won anywhere from a few cents to thousands of dollars. It's budgeting with excitement, and it actually pays. App number 6, Drop. Drop is a rewards app that turns budgeting into points accumulation. When you link your cards and spend at major retailers, you earn points. Those points can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. But the budgeting aspect comes in with drops, spending insights, and challenges, encouraging you to hit spending targets and stay within budget. The more you budget smartly, the more you're rewarded. App number 7, Albert. Albert blends smart budgeting with real-time human advice. It automatically tracks your spending and saving habits and helps you optimize them. The app offers smart savings, putting aside small amounts daily that you won't miss. And here's where it pays. Albert Genius users get bonuses for meeting savings goals and cashback for partner purchases. It also includes cash advances and referral bonuses, meaning more ways to earn simply by managing your money well. Bonus strategy, stack rewards across apps. One of the best things you can do, combine 2 or more of these apps. For example, use Rocket Money to save on bills, Then link your card to Dash or Drop to earn cashback. Transfer those earnings to Empower's high-yield account and let them grow. By stacking features from multiple apps, you turn budgeting from a task into a mini income stream. Each layer adds a little extra money, and over the year, that could be hundreds of dollars. Avoiding pitfalls. Be mindful of these points. Don't overspend, just earn cashback. Always read the app's terms. Some take a percentage of savings. Don't link accounts to every app if you're uncomfortable with sharing data. Choose apps that align with your values and privacy needs. So now you know, budgeting isn't just about controlling money anymore. In 2025, smart budgeting can actually pay you. With apps like Rocket Money, Dash, Empower, Pogo, Yada, Drop, and Albert, you can earn rewards, cashback, and even bonuses just by being financially responsible. Which app are you going to try first? And more importantly, how will you use that extra money? Before you go, here's something to think about. If apps are now rewarding us for smart money behavior, what does that say about how valuable our financial habits truly are? Is it possible that budgeting, once seen as restrictive, is actually the gateway to freedom? Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who needs better budgeting tools, and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dive videos on finance, online income, and smart investing. Your financial transformation begins with a single decision, and watching this video might just be that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.